Nwa Chinem.
Lift your head.
Don't be afraid.
The one who created you has never forgotten you.
Nwa Chinem.
You were chosen before your first breath, written in love before the world began.
Even when life became uncertain, God was holding your hand.
When the road grew dark before you, His light became your guide.
When the storm refused to settle,
He stood faithfully by your side.
never believe the voices that say you are not enough. You were created with a purpose, fashioned by perfect love. You are not forgotten, you are not alone. The Father's heart has always called you His own.
Stand up with courage,
Walk in His grace,
there is a promise
written over your life. Yeah.
You are loved beyond measure.
You are stronger than you know.
Lift your eyes toward heaven,
For the one who made the stars
calls you His own. Walk in faith, walk in hope, walk in victory.
walk in faith, walk in hope.
Walk in victory.
Nwa Chinem. God's beloved child.
The world may judge by appearance, but God looks deep inside. He sees the dreams you've hidden, the tears you've tried to hide.
Every setback has a purpose, every waiting season too. The author of your story is still writing something new.
No mountain is too high, no valley is too deep. For the shepherd of your soul is the one who never sleeps.
Hold on to His promises,
Trust His perfect plan.
the same God who began the work will complete it with His hand.
You are loved beyond measure.
You are stronger than you know.
Lift your eyes toward heaven,
For the one who made the stars
calls you His own. I got Emery,
Chukwunanyeregi,
Atulebu.
Etulebu. There will be days, there will be days.
There will be days when the answers seem far away. There will be nights when your heart grows weary.
But remember this,
The God who carried Joseph, the God who strengthened David, the God who protected Daniel, is the same God walking beside you.
He has not changed. His promises remain true. His love remains forever. You are not an accident, you are not a mistake. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Before anyone believed in you, He believed. Before anyone called your name,
He called you His child.
so walk boldly,
Love freely.
hope endlessly, because you belong to the King of Kings.
Shine the light He placed in you.
Walk in the purpose,
Walk in the purpose He prepared for you.
your future is secure in His hands.
No fear,
no shame,
no defeat,
only grace,
only mercy,
only victory.
forever.
The child of God
You were chosen before your first breath,
written in love before the world began.
Even when life became uncertain,
God was holding your hand.
when the road grew dark before you,
His light became your guide.
when the storm refused to settle,
He stood faithfully by your side.
never believe the voices
that say you are not enough. You were created with a purpose, fashioned by perfect love. You are not forgotten, you are not alone. The Father's heart has always called you His own. Stand up with courage, walk in His grace. There is a promise written over your life. You are loved beyond measure. You are loved beyond measure. You are stronger than you know. Lift your eyes toward heaven, for the one who made the stars calls you His own. Walk in faith, walk in hope, walk in victory. Nwa Chinem.
God's beloved child. The world may judge by appearance, but God looks deep inside.
He sees the dreams you've hidden, the tears you've tried to hide. Every setback has a purpose, every waiting season too. The author of your story is still writing something new.
No mountain is too high,
no valley is too deep, for the shepherd of your soul is the one who never sleeps. Hold on to His promises that say you are